Hello friends, welcome to Samsung K channel. The motto is I come to win, presented by DP Kokati. In this video, we learn about English workshop of 2.5 a play, the part 2 of My English 9th class. So let's start. The first question, list the characters that appear for the first time in this part of play. Write one or two lines about each of them. So the character that appear for the first time in this part of the play is first Goldsmith. He was dutiful and tried to follow the king's order by setting aside all his work. The second character is Hangman. He was also faithful towards his duties. He tried to follow the king's order. He was an executioner who hanged the culprit. Third, Said, a wise man from a neighboring forest who smartly saved his disciple from the punishment given by King Chaupat. The second question from English workshop is say whether the following sentences are true or false. So let's start. A sentence, the goldsmith blamed the king for the delay in his work, and this sentence is true. B, the king thought that the goldsmith had a good reason to delay the daughter's work. This sentence is false. C, the goldsmith was hanged. This sentence is also false. D, the noose did not fit the goldsmith's neck. Yes, it is true sentence. E, the noose did not fit the disciple's neck. It is false sentence. The Sheikh wanted to die on that day. Yes, it is true. The Sheikh wanted to save his disciple. This sentence is also true. And the last sentence, that is yes, the king wanted to be king again in his next birth. This is also the true sentence. Next question is write any three instances of funny rules and twisted logic used in Andher Nagari. And the first instance is that first instance means the first occurrence or the first fact. The disciples came to Andher Nagari to pay respect to the mighty king Chaupat, but to his surprise the king ordered the hangman to hang him without delay. The second instance is the blame game continued one after another, and the king ordered the hangman every time to hang the person without verifying his or her mistake. The third instance is the king requested the guards to take him to the gallows and hang him without delay to become the next king of the same kingdom in his next life. So these are the three instances of funny rules and twisted logic used in Andher Nagari. Next question is list the proverbs and saying used in the play. So the first proverb, that is justice delayed is justice denied. And second is our actions speak louder than words. Next question, read the entire play and complete the following blame game flowchart. So here are three columns. The first column is of who is blamed, second is who does he blame, and third is for what does he blame that person. So the character who is blaming, that is thief, and who does he blame? The thief blames to owner of the house. And for what does he blame that person? for not constructing a strong wall. Now, owner of the house is blaming, and he blaming on bricklayer. And for what purpose? For carelessly building a wall. Next is bricklayer, who is blaming, and to whom he is blaming? The mortar maker. For what? For mixing too much water in mortar. Now it is mortar maker who is blaming on the potter, and for what? For making a defective pot with large mouth. The next is potter. Potter blaming on money lender's daughter. For what? For disturbing him with tinkling anklets. And now it is the money lender's daughter who is blaming on goldsmith. For what? For delaying in delivery of her ornaments. Now it is the time of goldsmith blaming on the king. For what? For giving order to set aside all other works to make the queen's ornament. Now, these are all about a play, that is English workshop, and all activities are here completed. So friends, thank you for watching this video. It's Samson K presenting.